Welcome to this in-depth guide on configuring shift periods for daily rostering. In this video, we will cover the creation of new shift periods on a place-by-place basis, managing shift periods and viewing shift periods. To create a new shift period, navigate to the Add Shift Period option within the Rosters module. This will lead you to a page where you can enter the details for the new shift period. You will need to provide the following information: name, the name of the shift period; type, the shift period type, based on your organization's setup; place, the primary location where the shift period will be allocated and displayed; start and end date, the date range for the shift period; start time, the start time for each shift within the period; number of hours, the duration of each shift from the start time. To specify which days of the week are included or excluded in a recurring schedule, navigate to the Day Selection and Exclusion section on the right-hand side of the screen. Select the desired days by checking the adjacent checkboxes to include the day, or uncheck to exclude the day. Once you've entered all the necessary information and are satisfied with the settings, click the Save button to finalize the creation of the new shift period. To manage existing shift periods, navigate to the Manage Shifts option within the Roster module. This will present you with a list of all primary places allocated to your profile, displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on a desired place from the list will display a list of all shift periods associated with that place. Current shift periods are shown with a white background, while past periods are indicated by a pink background. Each entry includes details such as the shift name, date range, and the number of individual shifts within that period. From this screen, you will also have the option to view, edit, or delete a shift period, depending on the permissions allocated to your access level. Clicking View will take you to a page where all available periods will be shown on the left-hand side of the screen, while all available shifts within that period are displayed on the right-hand side of the screen. Clicking the Edit button will lead you to a page where you are able to edit certain details of the shift period, such as the name of the shift, the place it is allocated to, or the shift type. Once satisfied with the information, select Save to return to the Manage Shifts page. Finally, clicking the Delete button next to an available or future shift period will prompt a modal requesting confirmation of deletion. Now that you have created your shift periods, you can view your daily rosters and active shifts by navigating to the View Shifts option within the Rosters module. This will load a page that provides a comprehensive overview of all currently active shifts, which includes any standby and overtime allocations. To edit key information for an active shift from this page, such as the severity level, start and end date or time, click the pencil icon next to the desired place. This opens a page where the existing shift details can be modified, allowing you to extend or shorten a specific shift within the period by clicking the corresponding calendar tool, or by manually typing the information in the field provided. Once the necessary changes have been made, save the updated shift information by clicking the Save button.